Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop ads in mobile. So first you have to launch your settings and then you have to go to the app management and then you will get to see an option here for the special app access which is on the second last. Tap on that and from here and we have to select the display over other apps in the special app access which is on the third section. Tap on that. So whichever the apps in the below which you use less, you can simply just tap on it, and here we could see if this app is not allowed. So if this is the app that you do not use it, and if it's allowed it, you can simply turn off it just by toggling this option which is on the right hand side like this. And you have to just disable the other apps that you use less, just like I did in one of the app. And now you have to turn on the dark mode in your phone, and we have to go in the settings again, and in the display and brightness tap on that. And over here we could see there's a dark theme right here. Just toggle the button and the dark theme will be appeared on here. So okay, let's go back to the settings, and from here we have to go to the app management again, and from the app management you have to tap on the app settings, and we could see a lot of apps over here. And from this option you can just tap on one of the app and you can simply uninstall it, which is on the bottom. So after you do it, and you have to go back again in the settings, and we have to scroll all the way down, and we could see there's an option of Google. You have to tap on that again, and here we could see there's an ads option which is on the services on this device. You can simply tap on that. You have to tap on the delete advertising ID, and from here we could see an option that says delete advertising ID, which is on the blue font. Simply tap on that option to delete. Here we could see the advertising ID just got deleted. And alright, so we have to open our Google Chrome after this. So let's launch our Chrome, and over here tap on the three dot icon which is on the top right corner of your screen, and we have to tap on the setting which is on the second last option. And from here we have to scroll a bit down, and there we can see there's a size settings just below the accessibility. Tap on that, and from here let's scroll a bit down, and we could see there's intrusive ads over here. Tap on that, and in mine it's already blocked, but in your phone if it's not blocked like this, you can simply toggle up the button over here, and now the ads will be blocked on sites. And also in the pop-up and redirects, here you can tap on that, and you can also block it just like it, which is in my phone. So this is how to stop ads in your mobile device. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads. I hope this video was helpful.